Part 2 of Capricorn Clark explosive testimony against Diddy. Let's get into it, family. So, what did you see through the peephole? A furious puff. Objection. Ask another question, Miss Steiner. What was his movement? Pacing with something in his hand. Did you open the door? I did. What was he wearing? Button down sweater, torn pants, and he was holding a. He came into my apartment and said, "Why didn't you tell me? Who is Scott?" I said, "I didn't know any Scott." What did he say? "We're going to kill this N." Where was the in his hand? I said, "I didn't want to go." He said, "I don't give up what you want. Get dressed." What concerns did you have? He'd never come to my house. Did you try to escape? No, I got dressed. Who joined in? Ruben in the black Escalade executive class. Where was Ruben? Driver's seat. I got in the back seat, right hand side. Mr. Combs was in the left, next to me. Usually he would have sat in the front and the was in his lap. How long does it take to drive from your home at the time to Cuddy's house in the Hollywood Hills? If you push it, 15 to 20 minutes. What did Mr. Combs and Rube do at Cuddy's house? They went in. Could you see in? Yes. What did you do? I called Cassie on her burner. I said, "Cassie, where the are you?" I told her Puff was at Cuddy's house. Then I changed her number in my phone to my best friend, Stormy. What did you hear on the phone? That Scott was at Cassie's. When Mr. Combs came back, he took my phone and called the last number. Then I saw Cuddy driving up. Mr. Combs saw my face and said, "There's that right there." We drove off and saw the police driving the other way, towards Cuddy's. Puff was pulling himself together. We stopped at the Key Club and he told me to call Cassie. What did he tell you to tell Cassie? That he had me and wouldn't let me go. How did Miss Ventura respond? She said, "Okay, get me." She was calm. Who drove you home? Reuben. What did Mr. Combs then tell you? To convince Cuddy not to say that it had been him at his house. I picked up Cassie. Where did you go? We went to Cuddy's and tried to convince him not to file a police report. What did you tell them? That Puff came to my house with a. What did you tell him? He said, "If you tell on him, he'll hurt us all." What was Kid Cudi's reaction? Mind blown. Objection. Sustained. Jury will disregard. What happened at the house? He was kicking Cassie again and again. How was Cassie? In a fetal position. Mr. Combs kicked her all the way into the street. She was crying silently. Where was he kicking her? Her back? Her backside? Where were you? 5 feet away. So was Rube. What did Mr. Combs say to you? He said, "If you jump in, I'm gonna you up too." What did Rube do? Nothing. Who did you call? D-Rock. I told him, "Tell your brother to stop Puff. He is kicking the out of her." I called Paulie too. He said he'd take care of it, but Rube did nothing. What next? Mr. Combs told me to get the out too. I left on foot. Did you still see her getting kicked? Until I went around the bend. Then who did you call? Regina Ventura. I told her he's kicking the out of your daughter. I can't call the police, but you can. Why didn't you call the police? The mission of the day was to get Cuddy, so no calling police. This email, who is it from? Cassie. She wrote that he would be releasing tapes about me and he would have someone else hurt me and Cuddy. Do you recall if you responded to this? I don't. Did law enforcement call you? The arson investigators. Cuddy had given them my name. I hung up on them. I just wanted this over. What did Mr. Combs say to you? He said I should unalive you and I should slice her face. How many times did Mr. Combs threaten you? I say 50 times. D-Rock was there, just doubling down on whatever Puff was saying in the moment. Who is Harv Pierre, the president of Bad Boy Records? I told him Puff had kidnapped me. What did Harv Pierre tell you? He said, "That's crazy, but it's going to be okay." I got a termination notice. I was accused on not properly putting in for the vacation I was on. Had you put in? Yes, to Harv Pierre. Did you lose benefits? All of them. Health, 401k, my house, and car. What did Mr. Combs say? That I would never work again. That he would make me unalive myself. Did you get a job offer? I did, but it fell through. I couldn't get a job. Did you settle with Mr. Combs? In October 2012 for objection. Can I approach? Aside from that settlement agreement, do you have any other pending litigation against Mr. Combs? No. Did you go back to work for him? 2016. No one else would hire me. Cassie had a new record deal with Epic. Who did you have to get approvals from? Sean Combs. Cassie was taking more. Was she still dating Mr. Combs? Yes. In December 2023, why did you retain an attorney? I was traumatized by Cassie's civil complaint. Her complaint did not reference me. I reached out to Mr. Combs and said, I want my life back. You nabbed me. Objection. Overruled. Was there a discussion of you working with Mr. Combs again? Yes, as chief of staff. When did you last speak with Miss Ventura? 2018. In Kid Cudi? 2012. No further questions. Break. Now, cross-examination wants to start, but they say, can I start? And it just says, we'll be taking a break. So that is the end of Capricorn Clark's testimony. Now, after break, we will get the cross-examination and see what they'll ask Capricorn Clark. Please, family, putting in a lot of work. Just drop some comments below. Like, share, repost. Peace and one love.